Home Show.
VJ from Georgetown, Texas has some foundation worries.
No, what he's worried about, Tom, is this. See these cracks down there he's getting on his baseboards?
See them.
All right.
Yep.
Well, he says, VJ says, I'm seeing baseboard separations at the corners and around doors, and my vocabulary says is still not so good regarding house stuff, so hang with him. He says, I'm anxious about foundation problems because my friend had to short sell his house because of a severe foundation problem. Oh. So is this an early sign of foundation problems, or is this a normal settling? Should I be concerned, Tom, is what he wants to know.
Yeah, what he's showing me on baseboards and trim, if it separates, it's not a foundation problem at all. It's the painter used really bad caulk and the house is moving a little bit and it's shrinking up because it's dry inside his house, which is fine. And I can give you an example. When I used to build new homes for people, we would get called back every 3 to 6 months because the trim in the house would start to shrink and it would cause things. Not quite as severe as that one picture, but it's still not a foundation problem. It's just the wood is shrinking up. It's the type of wood that was used. But I would end up going back and sending a painter to caulk and repaint all the trim in those areas. And so what we ended up doing was going to a really high-end caulk called Big Stretch. And there's some others out there now too that work much better, so they stay flexible and they move. And what that needs is a visit by Rudy's Quality Painting. Let him go ahead and nail that trim down a little nicer, caulk it real well, prep it. And if you watch Rudy's crews work, they're going to prep everything, and then they'll go ahead and paint it. And you will not short sell your house, but if you take care of that trim and make it look good and get rid of those little splits in the joints, you will fast sell your house if you ever want to sell it because it'll look so good. Call Rudy. Don't worry, and don't short sell your house on a foundation problem unless you're just nervous and want to get out. Call Due West Foundation Repair. They can fix it. You can fix it up if you stay in long enough. If it's a quick sale and you want to do it, that's fine.
Okay. Now, since you're in Georgetown, VJ, you're going to call somebody like Rudy because I don't think Rudy's going to drive all the way up to Georgetown. But
oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm thinking
no,
Texas.
it's all right. No, it's all right.
But we gave Rudy a plug.
Yeah, well, and we love giving Rudy. He's one of our home show pros. But you're going to be looking for that kind of painter. You want somebody who's a craftsman and he's
professional
going to take good care
painting
of your house.
crew.
You bet.
That's what you
all
want.
Right. And if you want an answer to questions around your house, all you really need to do is go visit this place, HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that blue Ask Tom button. It'll take you to this page here. That's where you can enter your question on a form, or you can send us a video or pictures or whatever, because Tom and I answer a new question like this. Well, I read them. He answers them. 7 days a week, 365 days a year at HomeShowRadio.com and our YouTube channel, and of course on our Facebook page.